Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Damote and today's my topic is linked list in Java. So today we are going to discuss about the linked list in Java. So basically linked list is a part of collection framework and it is implemented. Linked list is a class implemented by list interface and there are some methods and some functions. You can use of that method. You can easily retrieve and update and add the data in that linked list in Java. So these methods and functions are provided by collection framework. You can use that methods and functions in Java by the using of collection framework. You can easily use that methods easily and easily update and retrieve the data. And if you want to add the data in linked list, then you can use the some methods are available in collection framework. So then you can easily use of that methods in collection framework. So another one thing about that linked list is follow the doubly linked list data structure. And doubly linked list data structure, that means if you want to add the data, that means if you want to add the data, then every element has every element has in the linked list, every element has store the previous node, previous element address and next element address. So this is the flow of that linked list data structure, and it store the previous node of previous address of the previous element of address, and also it store the next element address, and also itself it store the itself address, and it follows the like one node and store the nodes like it. And also another one thing about that linked list is it doesn't follow the indexing data structure because it follows the hash. It store the hash code value, and that hash code values are unique, and also it store the value in format of node. And node, that means one element store the previous node address and next element address, and also it store the itself address in linked list. And linked list is also part of the collection framework in Java, and linked list is a class in Java, and it is implemented by list interface, and there are some methods and functions are available in collection framework. To use of that methods and functions, then you can easily retrieve and update and add the data in linked list. So these methods and functions such as add, you can, if you want to add the data, then you can use the add method, and if you want to remove the element from the linked list, then you can use remove method. And if you want to remove all the elements from the linked list, then you can use remove all method. And if you want to add the data, so then you can use the add method in linked list. Then you can easily add the data in linked list. And the advantage of that linked list, if you want to add the element from end of the end of the list, then you can use the linked list. So this is all about the linked list in Java. Thank you.